in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to turn on and enable camera access on your Dell laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up the search menu and search for settings. Best result, come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the left panel, select privacy and security. And then on the right side, underneath app permissions, select camera. Toggle camera access to the on position at the top, and then you can customize it for specific applications by expanding this dropdown. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.